So Sudhanshu Mittal,
may I ask a question?
Yes.
Why may I ask a question?
Yes,
why Kanwar Lal Tanwar till now has not been arrested?
Sudhanshu ji, why are you obsessed with the Aam Aadmi Party?
Not been arrested till
Sudhanshu
now.
ji, that's true. You know, Ashutosh has a point. This obsession with the Aam Aadmi Party, sir, I have not seen this obsession with any other political party in this country.
Pinder, I can understand Ashutosh making this kind of a wild allegation, not you. You're a sensible man. Here's this list of 109 times Mr. Arvind Kejriwal has made an allegation against Mr. Narendra Modi. 109. Here is a whole complete list. And yet Modi ji is obsessed with Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. When you have a molester arrested, you blame the Prime Minister. When you have a fraudster arrested, you blame the Prime Minister.
But if you keep indulging in this kind of... Sir, but if each day, Sudhanshu ji, if each day there is a raid which is conducted against an Aam Aadmi Party MLA, an FIR filed against an Aam Aadmi Party, either you say clearly Aam Aadmi Party is the most corrupt party in this country. You say this clearly. A party which rules over 70 assembly seats and 7 Lok Sabha seats is the most corrupt party in this country. Say that clearly.
Need I say that? I think we all know that. But that's not the issue right now. Today he has said that Modi ji mujhe marwa denge. I mean, I would not even react now. You know, he has called Modi ji everything. He has called him a psychopath.
Sir, shouldn't Ashutosh?
He has called him a coward.
That word psychopath.
Allow me. Just 1 minute. Let me read out a few names.
Okay.
He's called him a psychopath. He's called him a coward. He's called him a traitor. He's called him a Pakistan ka agent. He's called him corrupt, dictator, fake degree wala, snooper. There is not a phraseology in dictionary which I can lay my hands on which he is not accused.
Why? Ashutosh, why? Is this because Mr. Kejriwal is trying to elevate himself to the level of a prime minister? Is that the political game, and is that the reason why everything has to stop at the prime minister's door?
I think Sudhanshu Mittal has some memory. Before, during the elections, what happened? Arvind Kejriwal was called as a badnaseeb wala. Who said that? Mr. Narendra Modi. Mr. Narendra Modi said Arvind Kejriwal is a AK-49. Who said that? I think Sudhanshu Mittal should know that. Who is a Naxali and who should be living in the jungles? Who said that? He doesn't remember that.
Okay.
What Mr. Kejriwal, what Mr. Narendra Modi has talked about Shashi's wife, 50 crore ki girlfriend. Have you forgotten all that?
But sir, so you are hitting back in the same point.
No, let me complete. Bhupender, let me complete. Let me complete.
Yeah.
The point today is not that who is calling whom. The point today is this country safe in the hands of a man
Sudhanshu Mittal,
who is so rattled and provoked by Aam Aadmi Party?
Is it true? That's what I'm saying.
He is forgotten taking decisions for the country.
The BSP Supremo, there is a DA case against her. Mulayam Singh Yadav is facing a DA case. Jayalalitha, Mamta Banerjee, I can go on and on and on. And I only see the focus of the agencies is on one individual, Arvind Kejriwal. What is so special about Mr. Kejriwal? Tell me.
Dipinder, Kejriwal has not been called by any agency yet, so please don't exaggerate.
No, but his leaders, his leaders, you are only making him more and more important, Sudhanshu ji, that's all.
Bhupinder, allow me to finish.
Sir.
Here is a man who calls a molester, a fraudster, a fake degree perpetrator, a land grabber, freedom fighters. I mean,
see, both of you are only using words against each other. Quickly. Let's come to a conclusion. The
last is you just heard Ashutosh talking about whether the country is safe. You know, there is this obsession, there's this paranoia about
You are obsessed with him, he's obsessed with you. Sudhanshu Mittal.
Allow me. He has a paranoia about safety.
Paranoia?
I can only think
Ashutosh, who is more paranoid?
I can only...
Is Mr. Kejriwal more paranoid? Is Narendra Modi more paranoid? Ashutosh, quick comment from you, Ashutosh.
No, Bhupen, if Tomar is accused of forgery and fake certificate, Mr. Modi is also accused of forgery and fake certificates. If Tomar is arrested, why not Mr. Narendra Modi should be arrested?
तो मैं भी तुमको बोलूंगा, तुम मेरी आंख निकालोगे तो मैं भी तुम्हारी आंख निकालूंगा. That's the level at which the debate is taking.
Bhupender, the only place. Yeah, just
I will have a half an hour debate soon. Sometime on this. Ashu and Sudhanshu, thank you, sir.
Bhupender, just one comment. One comment.
Final repartee from Sudhanshu.
He wants security.
Yeah,
he wants security.
Yes.
The only two places where he can have security is either in a mental asylum or a jail.
Now see, again you're reducing the level. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for joining me on my third story on Big Five at 10. That's frankly the level of relationship between the Aam Aadmi Party and the Bharatiya Janata Party. It really is only going lower and lowest. Each day I ask myself, can it really sink any lower than where it is? You just heard Sudhanshu Mittal there with his take on Mr. Kejriwal.